summertime, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just what.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are tackling my mom's master bedroom and bathroom, and we are just really decluttering and reorganizing. And in today's video, we are trying out my mom's new vacuum that she was so excited to show you guys. It is honestly so awesome, and this video is not at all affiliated with the company or sponsored in any way. So this is just our true and honest opinions on this vacuum, and you guys definitely want to stick around because I am just shocked by how much this vacuum picked up. So we did kind of turn it into a little bit of an experiment just to make it more fun for you guys. So I will get more into that a little later on as we start vacuuming and whatnot. But for now, we are just starting off with adding my mom's new bed sheets to her bed, which I am loving this blue color. So she updated her sheets, which is just so awesome, and she added those two signs above her bed recently, and then you guys are just going to see us dust her nightstands.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh.
So then you guys are going to see us declutter, organize, and clean and wipe down my mom's desk.
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me.
I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself.
So if any of you are curious, my mom has 3 cats, and they live on a dirt road currently. They do plan on getting it graveled, and some spots they are getting it getting concrete, but for now, so dust and cat hair for now are just really her only issues, honestly. You know, dust is something that I feel like everyone deals with, and if you have cats, of course, that's something you're gonna have to deal with is cat hair. So those are really the only 2 things my mom has to deal with, but so it was really satisfying wiping down this desk. And then I do dust the TV, and I move on to wiping down my mom's sliding glass doors.
Highs just to breathe, yeah, I need that. Take it all in now, I see what I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is awesome to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade.
Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, nah.
So then I give you guys a little look at the cleaners I'm using. This glass cleaner is amazing, and my mom always has me use Pledge on a lot of the surfaces in her home. If you are interested in any of these products, I am going to just link them all down below.
What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? Would you stop loving me? How is that even?
As you guys can see, it picked up so much cat hair, and of course I did, as you guys could see in the clip, I cut all those like strings out as well. Now we are on to kind of this little experiment that my mom and I did just to make it more exciting for you guys and for ourselves. So what we did is my mom vacuumed the side of the vacuum, or the side of the vacuum, wow. My mom vacuumed the side of the room that she's on, and I raked using this like pet hair rake in the middle of the room, and then the other side we just did nothing to. We were just curious like about how much hair a normal regular vacuum is just missing and not picking up.
Talk to me, baby. I've been waiting for a lifetime.
So this is the new vacuum that I have been kind of hinting at. I will have it linked down below, you guys. My mom and I were both just shocked like how amazing this vacuum is, you guys. It's truly amazing, and this video is not sponsored, and I have absolutely no connection at all to the company. However, I would love to, because this vacuum is truly amazing. The suction was amazing. One thing that I loved is I'm always whacking my vacuum onto like my baseboards and stuff, and I've actually chipped my baseboard before, you guys, because I whacked it so hard. This vacuum has like rubber on the sides.
For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
And we were shocked, you guys. We were like, wow, it picked up so much. There was so much cat hair in here. We were both truly impressed by this vacuum.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes.
So then I started, I refilled the little water container, and then I started pulling a few things out. That way I could vacuum the middle part of the room that I had already raked. So one thing I truly loved about this vacuum was that it extends so much. I was able to reach really far under my mom's bed, and I felt like I was really able to pick up a lot more by doing so.
To make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way.
I did get a little overzealous and started getting into my mom's section a little bit, but as you guys can see, it picked up a ton. Now granted, I didn't vacuum the middle area, so it's not of course all that like dirt and stuff that was tracked into the room was not vacuumed up, but it got so much cat hair still, which I was shocked because I had just raked it. So I did notice when I was vacuuming or using this vacuum that the suction was incredible. Like my mom was like, oh, I can tell it's amazing because it just sounds powerful.
Good guy. Baby, believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk.
So then you guys are going to see me dump out the vacuum a third time and get to see how much it truly picked up. And then you guys are going to really quickly get to see the after shots of my mom's master bedroom, and they are amazing. The after shots are so satisfying. It turned out so good, and I'm so happy with everything we got done in her room. And then you guys are going to see us move on to tackling my mom's master bathroom.
Don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Always think of you when spring comes. Like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing so
I did just start with putting away some of her towels, and then we kind of just, my mom I should say, started removing stuff off the counter.
Saw your face in the crowd and I think we loved eyes. Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise when I met you in the. I'm thinking you were made for me. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it.
After cleaning the toilet, I moved on to vacuuming my mom's little hallway that she has and her bathroom. And then I do show you guys what I picked up off of those floors. And then after that, I just show you guys the after clips, which again are beautiful, and again I think it turned out amazing. So this is the end of the video, you guys. Definitely check out the buddy cleaning playlist. I will have it linked down below. It features other videos from my mom's house and us tackling other spots in her home. So definitely check that out, and of course I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It wasn't possible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on